It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. Let's take a look at the 2016 Buick Encore. Front wheel drive, 1.4 liter engine here. 18-inch chrome aluminum wheels with Continental all-season tires. You have the integrated turn signals. All leather upholstery. The sunroof above. Memory seat and memory mirror with 2 presets. Power driver adjustable seat with lumbar support. And you also have the driver blind spot detection system. So this icon right here will illuminate when it's not safe to make a lane change. Save you grief along the way. All the latest tech in a pre-owned vehicle. All the comfort as well. Let's climb on in and take a look around. Let's take a look here from left to right on the inside. You do have a leather wrapped steering wheel, your cruise control, headlights and turn signals, and the driver information center menu accessed with the menu button and the scrolling wheel. And here on the right hand side you have the intermittent wipers, including rear wipers. Cruise control setting, hands-free calling and voice command, and the driver information center menu. And you also have volume control right there at the steering wheel as well, so you can crank those tunes up, and you have the AM, FM, and Sirius XM satellite radio. You also have a CD player here. Onboard navigation with turn by turn, and you can access the different screens here by using this scrolling wheel right down below. So now I've accessed onboard navigation, and you just push the wheel in, and there you go. There's your onboard. And of course it's going to take you wherever you need to go. And in reverse you get that full color rear backup camera with trajectory guidelines. And back to the home screen, and going to the next page, you'll see you have more options. You've got your USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth inputs. You got your traction control and hazards, presets. There's your CD slot. Onboard navigation from the touch of the keypad, and you can also operate your hands-free calling from there as well. Heated seats, both driver and passenger side, nice and convenient. Fan speed operator, an AC button, and dual zone climate control. And it is a heated steering wheel, so you can turn that on and off right there. Alright, so down below you have a place to plug in. You have USB and auxiliary here, and you also have 12-volt power. Got the gear shifter, parking brake, cup holders, storage space, a fold down armrest, and more storage space located within, and a sizable glove box. OnStar services are available to you again just at the rear view mirror, overhead lighting, and manual sunshade, and controls for the sunroof located right here, also within arm's reach of the driver. All right, take a look here at the side and rear profiles. And to get into the hatch, very simply done. Just going to press this right here and give a little gentle lift up, and that hatch is going to do the rest of the work itself. You also have a very easily removable cargo cover, so you can pull that out if you want to put something larger in the back. 60/40 flip and fold seating, which we'll see in just a moment how to operate that. Got your tie downs here on both sides. Got some lighting there at the rear, and spare tire here located below. And again, so easy with the hatch. One hand on the camera here the whole time. Get the 3-prong power there in the back, and again the all leather upholstery. Fold down armrest with cup holders, and the flip and fold seating operates just like this. I'm going to reach in, grab this tab here, and flip up. Easy stuff, and again, one hand on the camera here. And both sides will do the same thing with that 60/40. You can put down both sides or the 60 side. Soft touch materials, and nice deep tinted glass. And that's going to do it for your look at the 2016 Buick Encore front-wheel drive. If you want to see this one in person, you'll find us at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.